We have an equation with a rational exponent. We're going to always, of course, try to start off with our order of operations in reverse. So as I look at this unknown, I'm looking to see if there's anything on this side of the equation that needs to be either added or subtracted. I see this positive 4. I'll get rid of that first by subtracting 4 from both sides. So of course on the left side these cancel, leaving negative 2x to the 5/4 power on the left. And then these guys combine to make a negative 64. Then I'm going to move up a little bit. Is there anything on this side of the equation that needs to be either multiplied or divided? It has to happen in this order. So this is what has to go next. I'll divide both sides by negative 2. That gives me x to the 5/4 equal to positive 32. Now I'm going to move up one more step to exponents. Here's the new lesson. The way to get rid of an exponent is to use the reciprocal exponent. So I'll take both sides of the 4/5 power. If I look back at that original problem, that numerator is an odd number, so I don't need to bother with a plus or minus this time. That's only when the numerator is even. So on the left side, the 5/4 and the 4/5 would multiply to make 1, effectively canceling out that power, giving me just x. And on the right side, I have 32 to the 4/5, which you can put into a calculator if you want to, or you can try to figure out what number multiplies by itself 5 times to give you 32. That number is 2. And then raise that 2 to the 4th power to get a final answer of 16. So it seems like the answer is very likely 16. I should just double check my work by plugging it back into the original problem. Do that in green. So negative 2 times 16 to the 5/4 plus 4, I hope, equals negative 60. I'm actually evaluating, so I'm doing order of operations in the top down. I'll deal with exponents first. 16 to the 5/4 power is find a number that multiplies by itself this many times to give me 16. 2 does that. And I'll take that 2 to the 5th power. 2 to the 5th is 32. So I get negative 2 times 32 plus 4. Negative 2 times 32 is negative 64 plus 4. And when I combine negative 64 and 4, I get negative 60, which was what I was supposed to get. So this 16 is correct, and life is good. Good luck.